Assalamu alaikum dear students. My Little World School has started online lectures for you. So today we start our first lecture of computer. Have you watched an animated cartoon or a movie some time ago? If your answer is yes, then you can recall its character, story or a dialogue. What helps you to learn new things, to think and to recall? No doubt it is your memory or your brain. It is an amazing machine which is involved in thinking, learning, responding and much more. So let's start our today's topic, that is memory. Memory stores data and instructions. It is a fundamental component of a computer. A computer requires a device which can store data and information. The memory is divided into two types. The first one is primary memory and the second one is secondary memory. What is primary memory? Primary memory is a medium that keeps data or information for a short period of time, while secondary memory is a medium that keeps our data for a long period of time. Primary memory has low capacity and secondary memory has a large capacity. Primary memory is fast, as compared to primary memory, secondary memory is slow. Second name of primary memory is the main memory and the second name of secondary memory is auxiliary memory. Primary memory is further divided into two types. The first one is RAM and the second one is ROM. RAM stands for read-only memory and the ROM stands for random access memory. Primary memory is divided into two types. The first one is RAM and the second one is ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is a form of a data storage that can be accessed at any time and in any order. RAM allows reading and ROM allows reading and writing both. RAM is a volatile memory. Volatile memory means all the data stored is lost when the device is switched off. जब हम कंप्यूटर को ऑफ करेंगे जितना डाटा हमारे पास रैम में पड़ा होगा वो लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. एज़ कम्पेयर टू रोम हमारे पास जितना डाटा रोम में पड़ा होगा जब कंप्यूटर ऑफ होगा उस डाटे पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन रैम में वो डाटा लॉस्ट हो जाएगा, रोम में वो डाटा लॉस्ट नहीं होगा. रैम कैन स्टोर large amount of data as compared to ROM. ROM is a form of storage that cannot be changed easily, but RAM can be changed easily. ROM stores the program required to boot the computer and it allows reading only. ROM is a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile means जब हम कंप्यूटर को ऑफ करेंगे तो हमारा जो डाटा स्टोर हुआ होगा उस डाटा पे कोई भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. The second type of memory is secondary memory. Secondary memory का second name है auxiliary memory. It has a large capacity and it is a faster memory as compared to primary memory. Secondary memory is divided into different types, but there is only two types. The first one is USB and the second one is SD card. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is also known as a flash drive. इट इज़ अ पोर्टेबल स्टोरेज डिवाइस. पोर्टेबल मीन्स जिसको हम लोग CPU में इंसर्ट भी कर सकते हैं और CPU से उसको निकाल भी सकते हैं. When the user plugs the device into a CPU USB port, the computer's operating system identifies the device as a removable drive and start its work. The second one is SD card. SD card stands for Secure Digital Card. SD card varies in space, size, speed and capacity. We can insert SD card in digital cameras, computers, tablets and mobile phones. Okay student, I hope now you can write the difference between primary and secondary memory, and the second one is RAM and ROM. Student, if you have any question related to this lecture, then you can ask questions on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.